Now we're going to review the standards on our end of year rubric. We'll do this in the year with our quarterly diagnostics, but right now we're focused in on the data we already have. So you'll see here we've got some standards that are green. Those are our major focus standards. And then we've got some of those that are yellow. We do know that we want to bring in some additional and supporting standards of the yellow and blue if they're connected to a future grade level standard. So when I look at item number 1, I see 3NDA1. We just talked about, or your grade level facilitator talked about, our focus for 3rd grade remaining in the OA, or operations and algebraic thinking, and in F, numbers and operations for fractions domains. So when I see this green standard here for measurements and data, I'm kind of going to gloss over it unless I truly think that I need to focus on it or I have time during my 10 days of the summer intensive program. And I can show you what that looks like here when we go to our end of the year rubric and I click on the Achieve the Core Coherence map that's embedded. 3MDA1 has no prerequisite standards and no future standards connected to it because it's all about telling time. So that's something we can always bring in just as great educators and parents asking students to tell time by reading an analog clock near us. But where we really want to focus our efforts in, that standard we already deconstructed of 30AA1. Here you see the map is a lot more dense. We've got some previous grade level standards, some that we're teaching concurrently or at the same time, and so many that are directly linked in future grade levels. 4th, 5th, and I believe some down there, even in the 6th grade realm. So we truly want to focus our efforts here. However, as I said earlier, some of those that are denoted as yellow or blue additional and supporting standards are sometimes connected to major work of the next grade. So although our focus is OA and NF in 3rd grade, we might want to bring in this numbers and base 10 operations standard because it has a lot of prerequisites and it's also connected to major work in the 4th grade. And this is when we're fluently adding and subtracting within 1,000. So you might see me pull this in when we begin mapping our instruction for the 10 days of our summer intensive program.